splashing in the river blue, making little water flew. Tiny fish swim all around, happy giggles fill the ground.
Butterflies in colors bright flutter gently left and right. Baby elephant skips with cheer, making lots of jungle friends near. Monkey waves from up the tree, parrot sings so happily. Little bunny hops along, everyone joins in the song. Stomp, stomp, clap your hands, dance across the jungle lands. Laugh together, play all day, hip, 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 hooray.
Rainbow shines across the sky, fluffy clouds go floating by. Colorful flowers bloom below, happy hearts begin to glow.
Baby elephant finds a ball, rolling, bouncing, having a ball. Friends all cheer and run around, joyful laughter is the sound. Golden sunset fills the air, fireflies sparkle everywhere. Home together, side by side, family love is full of pride.
Moon and stars begin to gleam, everything feels like a dream. Baby elephant snuggles tight, sleeping through the peaceful night.
Stomp, stomp, hip, hooray, we'll have fun another day. Happy hearts and dreams come true, this little song is just for you.
Good night, baby elephant dear, dream of friends forever near. When the morning sun shines bright, we'll play again with pure delight.